Right guys, this is a Thai spicy salad at the famous chicken company around the world. Now obviously every country has a variation of food to suit its customers, and this is a Thai version, okay? But looking at the ingredients, this looks really easy to make at home. So I think what we'll do, we'll make a copycat version of this, and let's hopefully we make it better. On here then we got red onions, we got chili flakes, we have green onion, that is either coriander, looking how thin it is, I would say that is cilantro coriander. It's definitely coriander because there's the stem. So that's definitely got coriander, cilantro, there's the stem. Now there's an underlying taste of lime. It's obviously got fish sauce in, there's a bit of sugar. Let's make this. Right, okay guys, what we need to do is slice a red onion, thinly slice it. And we need to break up the segments. And we need to put in a bowl of water with a little bit of apple cider vinegar. This will take away the harshness of the onion, so we don't have that predominant onion taste. And then in a bowl then we're going to start our sauce off with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, about 2.5 tablespoons of lime juice, and about 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. Give it a mix, dissolve the sugar, and then we want to add chili flakes. Now add as many chili flakes as you want. If you want it really spicy, put a lot in. If you don't. And then add 1 tablespoon of toasted rice. And then, as we saw, we need to take some coriander or cilantro and give the leaves a rough chopping and chop up the stems nice and small. And then green onion, we want to do the same with green onion. We want to thinly slice it. And that's basically the veg prepared. And then we want to prepare our batter and flour. So 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of rice flour. Mix it all together, and then what we'll do, we take out a couple of spoons into a different bowl and start adding water to make up a batter. Now we don't want a thick batter and we don't want a runny batter. Now our chicken is not going to have the predominant KFC type flavouring. It's going to be a nice flavoured fried chicken. Now I'm using chicken thighs, and they do have a bone in, so I've got to debone them. And then what we need to do is we need to cut the chicken thighs in half. And then we're going to season the chicken. Straightforward seasoning. We want 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, about a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, and give it a mix. And then to coat our chicken then, we need to put the chicken in the dry flour mixture and then coat it all over. From the dry flour mixture, we need to dip it in the batter, coat it in the batter, and then we need to return it back to the flour mixture. So it's dry, wet, dry. And then give it a little shake and put into a separate bowl, ready for frying. Okay, repeat with all your chicken, and then put your oil on to medium hot. We don't want to burn the chicken. And then put in the chicken, and we're going to fry it until it's golden brown. So when the chicken's golden brown and it's cooked enough to your required taste, take out and drain. So to finish our sauce then, in a bowl we need to put our sauce mixture. And then we need to add all our veg ingredients, our red onion, our cilantro, coriander, and our green onion. Give it a mix, it'll mix through so it's all incorporated. And then what we'll do then is slice our chicken. After slicing our chicken, we'll add our chicken to our salad sauce bowl mixture and give it a gentle stir through. And that's it, guys. Mixed, serve and enjoy. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Oh, guys, absolutely fantastic. A fabulous, fabulous. This is a great copy of the famous chicken brand. This is one to try at home. If you like what we're doing, guys, don't forget like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.